everyone, welcome to AceChannel. I'm inviting everyone to please watch, like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel AceChannel. And also don't fail to hit the notification bell down there for you to be notified in the future for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day guys. God bless. Hello guys. Good afternoon. This afternoon I'm going to show you how to use the Fabriano cooking and electric. Fabriano electric cooking range and electric cooking. I'm going to show you. I'm going to cook chicken, but I'm not going to tell you about the recipe. I'm just going to show you how are you going to cook using the Fabriano electric cooking range with electric oven. Okay, stand by guys. And this is what I'm cooking guys, using the Fabriano electric oven. It's 80 feet length. It's just going to automatically switch off. The light is going to switch off when it's probably hot, and it's going to disengage and then automatically go back. This is a 4-burner electric cooking range guys, with electric oven. This is what it looks like. The buttons you have here for the black one, that's for the rotisserie. You're going to roast some chicken, just a piece of chicken, a big one. And the next one that you're going to click or to use, if you're going to use the oven, it's either you're going to use the lower or the bottom or the top. Then you're going to, the next one is for the temperature. It's degrees Celsius. Well, it depends on what are you going to cook, and basically meat has what do you call that, standard temperature in cooking, probably 180 to 225 degrees. That's the range, degrees Celsius, not degree Fahrenheit. It's degrees Celsius in there. Then the other series of buttons, that would be for the stove. That would be for the electric cooking range. The last one is for the timer. When using the oven, you're just going to use at least 3 buttons guys. 3. This one, to determine which heat are you going to use, or the burners. It's either the lower portion or the bottom portion or the upper ones. One. For here, I'm using both. So I'm turning that from here, turn it there. But you can use just the bottom part alone. Then this one is just for the upper part. And for the degrees, same thing. You're going to, it's like clockwise. I'm using 190 degrees Celsius. And this one for the timer, depends. I preheat that for like 10 minutes. So I put that 80 minutes in there. And probably it's going to be cooked for like 70 minutes or 1 hour and 10 minutes. I don't know. It's going to cook. It's just my first time, guys, to use this oven. So remember, for the Fabriano electric cooking range and electric oven, you're just going to use this 3. 1, 2, 3. Going to switch on the time, then the degrees Celsius, the temperature, and then the heat. What elements are you going to use for the burner? Might be the bottom or the topmost burners or topmost elements that could provide fire to heat them and to cook them.